Ngayong gabi, ang ganda ng iilan, sexy ng karamihan, ay tatapatan ng baklang mataba sa inyong harapan. Dahil ang baklang matabang ito, unang man ngayong gabi, ngunit hindi magpapahuli. This is Shakira Pino Hermoso, nagmula sa bayan ng Timonan, na mag-iwan lamang po ng katotohanan. Huwag kang mabahala kung wala kang pera, dahil magkakapera din po tayo. Not now, but eleksyon. Sa candidate number 13, kung inaakala mong maganda ka, huwag kang ambisyosa. Same-same lang tayong dalawa. Thank you! So let's go!
Wala hong mamamatay o mas susulugan ng bahay dahil ang hiling lamang ho ng batang pagpiserang nasa inyong harapan ay isang masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan! A girl here standing in front of you is a fresh and indeed 15 years old stunner, truly all the way last from the home of Rosario and Pam Maypayan Festival, Municipality of Lopez, Province of Quezon. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Oho, tama ho kayo. Ang minsan nyo na nga akong napanood sa telebisyon at minsan na rin akong gumanap bilang isang darna. Bakit hindi ho natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Angel Locsin? Miss Angel Locsin ho, nag-iiwan ng hindi bastos, ngunit may aral na kasabihan. Take first education before love and demotion. Isn't good occupation for the better generation. Judges, once again, I am Trisha Jean Canzana from the Almeda Sisters, New Generation. And I love you all. Thank you and good evening.
Jessica and Bobby.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sa layo-layo po ho ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin hubang higawan dyan. Thank you. Good evening. Always believe that simplicity is beauty. And for being simple is truly remarkable. Hello, hi, mabuhay. The girl who's standing in front of you is your favorite, Batang Rampadora ng Lopez, Quezon. Yes, I am Maria Erica Javier, 16 years old, stunner, all the way from Rosario and Maypayan Festival, Municipality of Lopez, Province of Quezon. But tonight, this is a pageant. Bakit po hindi natin sabay-sabay palakpakan ang nag-iisang Miss Universe 2015, Miss Pia Alonso Wurzbach. Pia Alonso Wurzbach nagsasabing isang katagang, ganda ng ilan, sexy ng karamihan, tatapatan, at minsan pa nga po'y hihigitan, na batang baklang nasa inyong harapan. Bata man ho ako sa inyong paningin, wag na wag niyong mamalitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpalak, may batang kontesera, tatatak, judges, mark my number, and I will give you the best show, a night to remember you.
Simplicity is beauty, and for being simple is truly remarkable. What a glamorous, spectacular evening to each and everybody. Hello, hi, mabuhay. The girl that naked in your eyes is fresh and indeed innocent. 18 years old is stunner. Maria Alcantara, 18 from Gumaca Province of Quezon. At naniniwala ho ako sa kasabihang, huwag ka nang bumili ng magic sarap. Dahil ang tunay na sarap, sa akin mo malalasap. At bago ko po lisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, nais ko pong sabihin sa mga batang konteserang kagaya ko, na lumaban ka, may naniniwala man sa'yo. Wala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your candidate number 5, and I love you all. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Hailing all the way last from the seafood basket and Tikoy capital o Bundok Peninsula, bayan ng Macalelon, probinsya ng Quezon.
Follow your dreams and do your best. And you will achieve your dreams because of your best. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A lady in front of you is 22 years old stunner from Barangay Laguna, Gumaca, Quezon. My name is Martara Arce. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name. The gorgeous, the prettiest, the sexiest, Miss. Palakpakan muna dyan. Miss RC Munoz. Miss RC Munoz ay nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, ang ganda ko parang McDo. Gandang di mo, mata mo makakalimutan. Thank you so much.
generation. Catholic is my religion. Back to the continent is my biggest ambition. I am your Almeda sisters, new generation. Yes, I am just a queen, Estrella. A picture you already lost from the past anything. Majestic queen.
Tinuruan kasi ni Mia.
We're celebrating golden friendship. And I am the white Province of Quezon, but tonight, allow me to send by the number one and only, Miss Sue Ramirez. Miss Sue Ramirez, sabing, I see, I saw, and I will conquer. Judges, my number, because I will give you a show that you will never forget it. I see, I saw, and I will conquer. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the night.
Wala ho bang malakas na palakpakan at hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. A pleasant evening to each and every one, or should I say, migindeng gibi po sa inyong lihat. A girl standing here before you is the fresh and indeed innocent 15-year-old listener. I am your favorite batang contesera, Miss Lay Muhar Ermina, who truly all the way last from the past connected, majestic rain. Beautiful places from the home of the brave Gumaka, probinsya ng Quezon. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, your Miss Universe Philippines 2023. Bakit hindi ho natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang MMD, Miss Michelle Marquez D. Michelle Marquez D ho na nagsasabing, si Bis Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to be respected. Thank you.
Palakpakan! Gutom na ba kayo? Gusto nyo ba kumain? Etong puki ko kainin. Joke lang po. To become what you are capable of being is the secret of a happy life. For every living soul with own talent, wit and perseverance, so don't be afraid. Just be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, judges. This is your favorite matabang contestera. Opo, ako nga po pala si Binibining Tamtam Verde, a fresh and indeed innocent 17 years of age.
Ano?
18.
Ha?
19.
Ha?
20 plus years old stunner who truly all the way last from Aranya at Baluarte Festival, bayan ng Gumaka, probinsya ng Quezon. But tonight, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only Binibining Pilipinas first runner-up. Opo, ako nga po pala ang minsan ng binansagang squammy girl at hippie girl. Bakit hindi ho natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang Herlene Nicole Pudol? At bago ko po lisanin ang intabladong ito, mag-iiwan po ako ng 4 na uri ng pag-ihi dito sa mundo. Una, ang mga lalaki. Ang mga lalaki po pag umihi, nakatayo kung umihi. Pagkatapos umihi, ipapagpag na kaunti. Pangalawa, ang mga babae. Ang mga babae po pag umihi, nakaupo kung umihi. Pagkatapos umihi, kikiligin na kaunti. Pangatlo, kaming mga bakla. Kaming mga bakla pag umihi, tatagkalin muna ang tali. Pagkatapos umihi, ibabalik ulit ang tali. Pang-apat, ang mga tomboy. Ang mga tomboy po pag umihi, nakatayo, kunyari. Pagkatapos umihi, basang-basa ang binti. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am your candidate number 10, saying, judges, mark my number because I will give you the best show and the night to remember. Thank you.
Sagi, mangga, papaya, paghalu-haluin, pag-ikot-ikutin, fruit salad. Barangay Maunlad,
evening, ladies and gentlemen. So many places in so many countries, but tonight, here we are again, gathering in one place, celebrating festivity, community, and diversity. I am your trans queen of Gumaka 2023. And lastly, I am your queen of Tagbak Festival 2024. And last, I am your Miss International Queen Philippines, Calabarzon, proud to represent our beautiful municipality of Gumaka, province of Quezon. I am Joanna Sabuelba Dadulia, and tonight, wala na po tayong kaming pagkakakilala ng sino pa o gagayahing mga artista, because I always believe that in order for other people to truly accept you, you should know how to be proud of who you are. Naniniwala sa kasabihang, kung hindi ka rin magiging akin, mamatay na lang tayong lahat, by Janine Gutierrez. That would be all for tonight. I love you all and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you. Palakpakan po. Hiyawan po. Thank you. It is indeed a celebration of beauty beyond existence. A celebration of color, unity, and diversity. Just like rainbow, we are all different, but we are uniquely beautiful. The lady standing in front of you is a fresh graduate of the Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education at the Philippine Normal University South Luzon with flying colors. This is not to brag, but to inspire. As a future educator, I want to use this platform to inspire others to still pursue their education, regardless of gender or any hindrances they may face in life. I am Samantha Romualdez mula sa Bayang Pinagpala at Masagana, Bayan ng Calauag. But tonight, hayaan niyo po akong magpakilala. Bilang isang babaeng pinantasya ng inyong mga lolo, ng inyong mga tatay at ng inyong mga kuya. Opo, ako nga po ang nag-iisang actress and sexy star, Miss Ara. Miss Ara Mina. Miss Ara Mina ho na nagsasabing, magdasal ka para mabuhay ka. At mag-toothbrush ka para mabuhay naman ang iba. Thank you and good evening.
People of Barangay Maunlad, for the last time, wala po ba ang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba ang hiyawan dyan? Thank you very, very much. Tonight, yes indeed, it's the gathering of all the beauty icons all over the Philippines, battling for one crown, one title. What a glamorous and spectacular evening. Ladies and gentlemen, ako ho si Binibining Kasiming Aliba. Nagmula pa po sa barangay na kung saan alas 5 pa lang marami ng chismosa. Barangay Progreso. At bago ko po isali ng apat na sulok ng entablado ito, mag-iiwan ho ako ng kasabihan. Candidate number 1,